Welcome back to the Rafael Show. Now, if you guys do not know, the Rafael Show is also a weather station. Woo! Yeah. Now, but we are on the top 10 worst weather stations.
Woo!
Anyways, that is not important. Now, Pablo, let's come in, Pablo. Woo! Hello. Now, today we will be predicting the weather. Yeah.
Very good.
Okay, let's begin.
Please predict a slight rain.
Yes, I think it will be slight rain and a bit stormy.
Rafael, look!
Whoa!
Whoa!
Thunder! There's going to be a lot of thunder.
Oh, it's all vibrating.
But we have our lucky scarf.
Whoa!
Now, anyways, because it is raining, I think we should get the umbrella.
Very good, umbrella.
Yes. Let's see, this thing is very old, so...
Oh, help me open this.
Oh, let me see, let me give it a try. Oh,
come on. Did you... What that thing?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Oh,
very good.
This is my umbrella.
My umbrella.
My umbrella. Oh, whoa.
Hey, we're broadcast. Oh, hello. Sorry about that.
I think there will be a slight wind.
Yes, come back.
Okay. Maybe a lot of wind. Yeah. I don't think there will be that much rain.
Oh, watch out!
No, that was a lot of rain.
Whatever was expected.
And I think it'll be, I don't think it'll snow, but I'm not sure.
You never know. Whoa!
Lots of snow.
Snowball fight!
Okay. Anyways, there has been a little tornado across the street. Let's go check it out.
Let's go. Come on, Rafael. Get with it.
Look at all the rain.
Oh, look at that dripping.
Okay, moving on.
Let's go.
Whoa! There's been a big tornado across the street.
Whoa, let's go get a close-up. Oh, look at this big puddle. Whoa.
Big puddle.
Look at that. Whoa.
Oh, massive.
These poor people across the street. Don't you feel bad?
Yes, look what's happened to the fence. And I hear, Pablo, that is a brand new fence.
Oh, brand new? Look at this. It must be really windy today. Look at over here. It looks like it's about to happen again.
Oh, no.
Oh, these poor people.
That's bad.
Raphael, is that the wicked witch I see under there? Oh, let's better get back to our station. Hurry. Station, here we come. Quickly, run. And we're back.
Oh, jeez. Massive storm.
That was a close one.
That was a close one.
Now, we're going to go take a look at our green screen.
Yes.
Right here. Very good.
Yes. Right here, one of these dots, I think it's that one or that one or that one.
One of those.
One of them is Tracy, California.
Yeah.
And it says, by looking at that little red dot, you can tell that all weekend there will be big storms, humongous.
Wind, snow, rain, all of that.
Yes.
And over here at the other places like Sacramento, yeah, very, very sunny. I can't even believe it. Well, get rid of our green screen. Oh, let me hold that for you.
Okay. Whoa! I don't think there will be any sun today.
Yeah. What is that? Whoa, look! The sun is rising!
The sun!
Oh!
The sun! Whoa!
Oh, got blown away!
Oh, it got blown away! Oh, no! Well, that's all we have for today. We'll see you next time on the Rafael Show!
Mwah, mwah.
What?